Devotees on Sunday offered namaz on the occasion of Eid-UL-ADHA. Hundreds of families were seen gathering at Delhi's Jama Masjid and other prominent places where they greeted each other on the occasion. Eid-UL-ADHA is an occasion of joy and peace which people celebrate with their families, let go of the past grudges and make meaningful connections with one another. Also called the festival of sacrifice, Eid-UL-ADHA or Bakra Eid is celebrated on the 10th day of Dhul-Hijjah, the 12th month of the Islamic or lunar calendar. It marks the end of the annual Hajj pilgrimage. The date changes every year as it is based on the Islamic lunar calendar, which is about 11 days shorter than the Western 365-day Gregorian calendar. It is celebrated as a commemoration of Prophet Abraham's willingness to sacrifice everything for God. The history of this occasion traces back to 4,000 years ago when Allah appeared in Prophet Abraham's dream, asking him to sacrifice what he loved the most. As per the legends, the Prophet was about to sacrifice his son Isaac when an angel appeared and stopped him from doing so. He was told that God was convinced of his love for him and hence was allowed to make something else as a great sacrifice. To mark this occasion, Muslims reenact Ibrahim's obedience with the symbolic sacrifice of a lamb, goat, cow, camel or another animal that is then divided into trees to be shared equally among family, friends and the needy. Around the world, Eid traditions and festivities vary and different countries have unique cultural approaches to this important festival. In India, Muslims wear new clothes and attend open-air prayer meetings. They sacrifice a sheep or goat and share the meat with family members, neighbors and the poor. Several dishes like mutton biryani, ghost halim, shami kebab and mutton korma along with desserts such as kheer and sheer kurma are eaten on this day. Offering charity to the underprivileged is also considered an important part of Eid-ul-Adha.